Coming for a day out at Chasewater Country Park, based in Staffordshire.
So just pulled up and it's coin only, guys. And there's your prices. Up to 2 hours, £1.20. All days, £3.50. And you get an annual permit for 38 quid. I think that's not too bad. How close we live personally. Put it there, there's your prices. Let's see what it's got to offer in Chasewater Water Park.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Trip with the Skeldons, and today as a family we have come out to Chasewater. So it's a really nice day today. As you can see, the sun is shining and we're just putting the kids in the playground for a little while. It's a really big playground actually, huge. As you can see actually just behind me, look at this, a massive lake. They do boats and stuff on there as well. Hold them tight. You gonna go on next, Chandler?
Yeah.
Oh. You don't like it? She doesn't like it, Clara. Clara will have a go. It's going really high. So high. There's just some information about Chasewater Country Park. Absolutely stunning day here.
So lots of water events you can do on here. Paddle boarding, jet skiing. As you can see over the back there, someone's jet skiing. The zip lines into the water. It's beautiful here. And this is literally like 5 minutes from my house. Dogs are going in the water. Yeah.
Hi, dog.
Just having a walk along Chasewater. Flying and the kids at the front. Some yachting going over there. Wave sailing. Absolutely stunning. Look at, seriously, like, how beautiful can you get? It's a nice Sunday afternoon stroll. They actually have a train ride here, which I'll show you shortly in the back. Nice little cottage. Having a nice little picnic today, my son. After this, by the playground.
Should we head back that way?
Yeah.
We'll head back that way and get some picnic. I'll look at the crazy dog. Yeah, okay, now.
The dog's in here. Kids having a bit of a paddle. Go on then, son.
Facing Chandler. Smile, turn around, both of you smile together. Go up to Casey and have a picture. And then that's enough. Turn around, face. Smile, both of you, go around each other.
So dirty. I'm getting out. Ew. I'm got dirty.
Don't like it. Sit there and then wait for you.
Oh, look at that.
The borders, right? Look, paddle borders.
So just sat down now to have a little bit of a picnic, haven't we, Casey?
Yeah.
We've got all our stuff ready. We've got some sandwiches and some dunkers, and Lee's just gone into a place called The Shed. I'm going to do some coffee and ice cream and carts, and you can book mini golf as well.
So we're just going to feed the ducks now, with kids.
Yeah. I got loads. I got loads. Doggy's coming. Doggy's coming.
Go on then.
Dog. Dog.
Show them where it is.
Yeah, you see it.
You gotta throw it further than that, son.
Oh, you can.
Big throw.
Oh my god.
Because of the wind. Drop us out, Chandler. It's because of the wind, isn't it?
Right. Not there.
I'll try a bit. That's it. Good Swanee. Let me have a go. Can I have a go?
Yikes.
Look at all these beautiful swans. What are you doing?
Oh. That is nice. That was nice. Can I have that one? There is a packet, so I'm going to throw it.
Go on then, throw it in then, mate. There is some beautiful swans.
What's some more? The last little bit goes over to there. I got a few more bits. We're going to do a big one. Yikes!
Cool to go.
It looks good.
So here is the mini golf, which is £5 per person. We did try and get the things to do it, but what did they say there?
It's having refurb this week, so.
I mean, it doesn't look like it's having a refurb to me, but it does look like it needs one. Just a bit of paint, really, doesn't it?
Oh, it needs jet washing, I reckon.
But it's quite nice. £5 and a bad price.
I want to play baby golf.
Do you?
Next Sunday.
Yeah, open next Sunday.
Well, next Sunday.
The weather's nice. Oh, some of them are squashed and broke, aren't they? That's a shame.
When I step on them, I just fall through. What about that one? No. Dad.
Chasewater outdoor gym.
Oh, we're not saying we got. I wish I'd run the.
Go on then. Little lookout point. You can walk down. Looking to see if it comes to an end or if it walks all the way around. Oh yeah, it goes all the way around. Oh look! They quick. Look at the ducklings. Mummy and Daddy duck.
Take a video of the ducklings.
Sure.
Hold it.
Absolutely beautiful. I was hoping to see some ducklings, and there they are with their mummy and daddy. Look at them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Really pleased I got to see some ducklings. Oh look, some boats going on over there. The whole of the UK have come out today because the sun is shining. That's what we like.
See that car? Get a number.
Who needs to be on holiday, eh, when you've got this on your doorstep? You can do some paddling in the water. No swimming, no inflatables, no boats. The doggies are going for a paddle. Oh, these have got inflatables on there.
No, they do.
That's actually an airbag that they're putting there. Chasewater Railway, Brown Hills West Station. What? The speedboats are short? So we came through to have a look for the boat rides, but it seems to be closed off as a campsiting type facility, so we're going to have a look to see if the museum's open. And have a look round. Chasewater Railway Museum.
Let's go and look in there. You've been here before?
Museum open.
I'll remember when I've been here.
Free admission
I'll
as
be
well.
here.
Oh, just try and drive around.
That's like the Polar Express.
It does, doesn't it?
Oh, that one is.
Some of the old trains. It's a lovely little thing.
Yeah, especially as it's free admission.
Yeah, definitely.
Gives you a bit of an insight into it.
These are the people who made the ride.
Yeah, from the olden days. Oh look. Who is going to be the fat controller? Is it going to be you? So here we go then, let's have a little look in here.
The power station.
Oh yeah. Rugeley Power Station. And then in here is the free admission museum.
It's a digital.
It's like Thomas trains, isn't it, Chandler? You don't like Thomas anymore. That was last year.
This Tuesday coming though, isn't it? Oh yeah. I'm here Tuesday. I'm trying next week.
Oh, look at Clara. Do you want to try the fat controller hat on?
I'll go get my hat off then.
Go on then.
I don't know how you're going to go
Oh yeah, let's have a look. Oh yeah, station master. Don't drop them onto the floor though. Lovely. Clara's the porter.
What am I?
You are nothing.
What?
You see, Adrian had to Chasewater the first time. Because you could set them, wouldn't you? Because you paid for a long car. And there wasn't. And yeah, there was anything. It was really weird.
It's quite good, isn't it? It's free to come in.
It is quite impressive, to be honest.
2 days later, they hosted it. Scotland next week.
Wagon plates. What's the book?
The visitor's book.
Oh yeah. Sign it as Trip to the Skeldons, yeah?
Yep.
Lovely. Where are we from?
And then we'll go through the steps. We'll try and find where the train goes.
Daddy's writing it.
I know.
Daddy's writing it.
Come on then.
Let's go back into the museum.
Let's go look at the big trains.
Oh, look at that. There's a big hole up there. I'm going to go check out this.
Come on then.
Check this. The coal mine.
Is it a coal mine? Oh, let's have a look.
I learned about coal. I don't want to go in there. I don't want to.
Wow, look at that.
I learned about coal mine at school.
Did you?
It's the box van.
That's fantastic.
Coal.
Signed the visitor's book. The date, the name at Trip of the Skeldons in Staffordshire. So let's just look out for us on the channel in there.
Get to take a photo.
They want a photo in the coal mine.
The coal mine. Well, eh?
I'm done it.
Gonna go and have a little look in the Chasewater railway shop now and the platform. Might get them an ice cream. Daddy's favourite sauce. Little gift shop.
I shouldn't have skipped my money.
Pick one from me.
Oh look.
Pick one, Liz.
Thomas
This will remind
card.
us
No, I
as
get this
Pixie.
one.
No, let's remind us as Pixie.
No.
Right.
What do we want to remind ourselves that our cat's dead?
No, I have this.
Right, a bit harsh.
Mummy, I have all these.
You do, you've got the whole Thomas book story library, don't you?
Look at that, son.
What? Oh, it's like a full train.
You get fish with that.
Nah.
Mummy, can I spend off my money?
Not in here, darling.
Why?
Because what do you need to spend it in here for?
It's really good. It's really good stuff. Right?
Is it?
Yeah.
Just a little gift shop, darling. Isn't it?
Pole Express.
Is there not?
It's on the French and white.
Brown Hills West. So we actually came to have a trip round Chasewater, but we didn't realise this was here also. So, what is it called? Chasewater Railway or
Yeah,
something?
Chasewater railway station, yeah.
So that's what we're having a little look around now. At all the old trains. And look at the ones with the seats that look like the Polar Express.
It's being used as a storage now. This train.
No, look. Well, you can see inside there, but the old-fashioned seats. Don't even see many of these anymore, telephone boxes. Laptop. They don't exist. When I was a kid, there was a telephone box on the corner by our house, and for fun we used to go there and put reverse call people so that it could be free and get them to pay the calls. That's what we used to do to kill time. Because we didn't have mobiles back then.
No, our home is in there.
So we're just heading back home now. I hope you've enjoyed our little vlog of Chasewater and of the, I keep forgetting what it's called, Chasewater Railway. Please stay tuned. If you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe and comment.